Good afternoon, traders. It is Wednesday, December 4th, 2013, and the U.S. stock market is closed. I think we broke our losing streak today, not by a great deal, much, but we still seem to have gotten out of this nasty hole that we've been digging ourselves into the last 2-3 days. Dow Jones Industrial Average still closed negative, about down 24 today. It was a roller coaster. I mean, it was up and down all day, and so was our trading equity. I had done something over the weekend. I researched a whole bunch of markets and made a decision to make a major change in our portfolio. I dumped 25 of our stocks in our portfolio and added 25 new ones to replace them based on my research. Normally you wouldn't think that it would change the amount of trading we did, but it actually did. The problem was that the 25 markets that I dumped were dogs, and they weren't trading very much. The ones I put in were real live wires, and so all of a sudden today, and combined with a roller coaster market, I mean, my emotions were all over the place. One time we had our open trade equity down over $10,000. I could hardly look at it. It just looked horrible. I thought I was going to lose everything. And we ended up closing up $4,500 plus in our open trade equity and had a couple good trades. So I think that new portfolio is off to a good start, even though everything didn't go perfectly. We did close down $887 on our closed out trades. Two of the markets I was counting on, Tesla and Nu Skin, were disappointing today. But regardless, $887, no big deal. As I say, I was encouraged by today. I think things are looking good, and we're going to see a lot more profits very, very soon. Let me show you the charts. Okay, this is the Dow Jones Industrial Average, and you can see the big slide we've had in basically the last 3 to 4 days. This morning, this market did open negative, and then it came back really strong, went really nice and positive. We did quite a bit of buying up here, and then the darn thing totally reversed, and this created some problems for us because we had gotten long quite a few positions up here, and when this came back, those tended to go negative. And I think down around here is where I saw, negative $10,000 to $12,000 on our open trade equity. Didn't look good at all. But then the market came back, and even though it closed negative 24, it really improved things. And just maybe with 15 minutes ago, we were up like $6,000 plus or so. That pulled back a little. As I say, we finished with a positive about 4,500. Still, it looks good to me, and quite honestly, this looks kind of like some bottom kind of action. I wouldn't be surprised if we saw a good rally tomorrow or possibly on Friday. Anyway, I am pleased with the action. Let me show you a couple. I'm going to show you a couple kind of new markets for us. This is one of those markets that I added. It's called LBMH, and that's Liberator Medical Holdings Incorporated. And I picked this market simply because of my research showed it was nice and volatile and had some movement, and that's what we like to see in our portfolio. It's just a tad thin, but it's not too thin. When I did research on it, I found it listed in a couple penny stock portfolios. This is not a penny stock anymore, trading at nearly $3.50, but it has come out of the depths apparently. I don't know too much else about it, but we got into it today about the first hour of the day, and it went against us, and I thought, yeah, I don't know about this market. And then it turned around and really moved, and you can see this nice close right at the end. Anyway, we're holding, it looks like almost close to $3,000 in Liberator Medical Holdings. So this is a new market, and it looks real good right now. I'm gonna hang on to this one. And then I'll show you another. This actually isn't one of our new markets, but we just have not had any trades in it. This is VMW, which is a software company, VMware. I use their software, and I really think it's great, and so I was intrigued with the idea of trading it. We jumped into this thing about 2 hours into the day, and it just kept moving very nicely. We're holding about $1,200 in VMware, but definitely looks like a good trade today. Anyway, I'm happy. This is Trader Bob signing off. I'll see you tomorrow on Thursday.